Try clanking these things together and see if it works.
Oh, man, I had a bite. Quick. Got a pretty good bite right there.
Might have scared him to bite.
Oh,
The performance to show up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Trying to still get my sea legs here. Woo. Big one.
little drag.
It don't feel as big. I mean, it still feels big, but it wasn't as solid as the initial. Okay. Oh, well, maybe he just ain't pulling. Oh yeah, he's running. He's running. Good thing I got a fresh hook and some line on it. Wearing me out before I'm wearing him out.
That's the net,
Why
right?
some porpoises go freaking annihilate?
Yeah.
I think he's near. Well, I'm glad I got a pole with a little bit of beef on it. He's coming, bro. He's coming. Look.
Right there?
Yep. Yes, sir. That might be a keeper. Thanks, sir.
Oh.
Dang. Big hole to hold out.
You got the foot.
Oh, flip it. Flip it, flop it.
Yeah, just back that way. Trying to get this. Nice one. What you got? I don't know what it is. I should have figured. Good times.
Get him in, man.
Got a little small trout.
13?
Man, this thing wouldn't be 13 if I cut it in half and stretched it.
Yeah. 13 to me.
13 centimeters. Let's see. No, ain't even 12.
Really? What are you doing?
it's a baby. It's a baby. Must have been small. Yeah, as soon as they hit the water, it was like,
Hell?
there we go. Got some babies hopping in the boat. I want to get a hook in my finger. Oh man. I'm about to put some plastic on it. Ain't nobody got no time for that. Let's see. Look. Got that voodoo over there. Keep it going, keep it going.
What?
They were playing with that plastic. It don't seem like he's. Yeah. I mean, it's good they kind of turn back on a little bit, even if they just want to grow back. Oh, that might be a keeper. He hit pretty good. He hit like a big dog. White trout. Man, you could probably throw a treble hook out there right now. They just boom, 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 hit you on the way in. That's what the shrimp, the regular, like real shrimp color. I have to try to glow in the dark. And the water's kind of stained. Let's try to glow in the dark. This one set a little deeper too. A little late on that one. Got a hit, but I was a little late on the setting it. Probably enough to take my freaking, you know it. You know it. Thief took my bait. I didn't even get to set the hook on him. Well, the wind's keeping the temperature feeling better. Got him that time. He came back for it. Is that a white trout? Almost looks like one. No, it's a speck. Yeah. Takes talent to catch something that small. Yanked them out the water. And their line's twisted on the top of my pole. Oh, you want baby trout. They were legal size, I might have had a box full already. Ain't that something? It should have grew since the last time we were here, right? Maybe because the shrimp's so small. You know what I'm gonna try after this live shrimp? You got some dead you brought? I'm gonna use one of them and put that on there. Yeah, Put a big old jumbo freaking dead on there. That might change it up a little bit. And my wife's uncle, he had a bunch of big fishing tackle he gave me because he don't fish no more, and a lot of them plastics were like huge. But if you think about it, you go using a big, huge artificial, typically the stuff that's going to go after it's going to be fairly in a larger size as well. True. Guess depends on how hungry they are. Look at that, I got another one. Oh, look at that. I got a feline fish. It's a feline fish. The cat. Good old trusty Rusty's here. You still got most of my shrimp on there. Now it's time for some dead shrimp. Let's see what's kicking. Big old fish. Big old. Yeah, I think it's a number 3 KO here. Put the whole thing on there. Catch a 30-inch trout. You getting some nibbles? Yeah. Ooh, right there, bro. Drop it right there. Might get some. You ever replace the cannibalator valve on your truck? The cannibalator. Mine's broke. I gotta change the cannibalator valve. It's right next to the headlight fluid reservoir. Kind of close to the muffler bearing. Yeah, boy. Nothing. I didn't even get hit, bruh. I did get one hit since I put the shrimp on there, but seems a little windier right here. Just cast it way, way out there. Might be where they're hiding. I'm gonna have to try again tomorrow.
Man, that was a hit right there. I'll tell you what.
I told you right where it had just hit mine. You threw it right on top of that one, and it was on like Donkey Kong.
Oh no, man.
Let's see, my cork. I just put that dead shrimp on there. Man. So I'm like, well, that's pretty good. Maybe they coming back a little bit right here. They're late to the dinner table. Oh, look, takedowns. It was slow. As soon as it hit the water too, bro. So make sure you get your slack out your line. Throw it right there by my cork. We're in a good spot. Man, if the wind could die down for like an hour, we'd be good. Hey, wind, can you please turn it down a notch, please? Just a smidgen. And I like to know what that other spot was, man. They had those little veins we were fishing. I think it was on the first trip we came out here. It was on a Friday. And it had like a bunch of little waterways right through the strip of marsh. And we kept fishing all the little openings, and it was like pretty good. You know? But I couldn't see it on the map to where I recognized it. I know we came in this boat, so... There you go, slow takedown. Ah. Why is it taking so slow like that? Yeah, fishy, fishy, come get this. There you go, come on, take it. Take it, take it, take it. Man, it's gotta be smalls, dude. Some of them so small, they ain't even barely pull a cork down. I know he's a small one. I might go back on that voodoo shrimp. Yeah, I might do that. That might make it a bet, because it's a little bit bigger, and then it'll be smelling like shrimp. Windy, windy. Windy, windy. Go to the other. Hey, that's my spot. Oh, the wind died down.
Looks like it. Outside now.
Yeah.